Welcome to our state-of-the-art chocolate production facility. I'm Sarah, and I've been a production manager here for 8 years. Today, you'll see every single step.
Our journey begins 5,000 miles away in West African cocoa plantations.
The truck is here at Bay 3.
Each shipment contains approximately 20 tons of carefully selected cocoa beans. Quality inspection begins immediately upon arrival.
Grids. Our quality control team tests every batch for moisture content, fermentation level, and potential defects.
Beans are stored in temperature-controlled silos, maintaining exactly 18 degrees Celsius and 65% humidity to preserve their delicate flavor compounds.
Roasting is where the magic begins. Beans are heated to precisely 135 degrees Celsius.
Linton Cocos. I've been roasting cocoa for 15 years. Every origin requires 35 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes.
Rapid cooling stops the roasting process at exactly the right moment, locking in flavors while preventing over-roasting.
The winnowing system uses precisely calibrated air pressure to separate the lightweight shells from the valuable cocoa nibs. These precision grinding mills weigh 5 tons each and will transform solid nibs into liquid chocolate.
The friction and pressure generate enough heat to melt the cocoa butter within the nibs, creating pure cocoa liquor, the foundation of all chocolate.
Under 400 psi of hydraulic pressure, cocoa butter is separated from cocoa solids. This process takes 45 minutes per batch.
The remaining cocoa cake contains only 10 to 12% fat and will be ground into cocoa powder for baking.
We need that lecithin moved to staging.
Roger that. Scanning now.
Every batch follows precise recipes perfected over decades. Computers control measurements to 0.1 gram accuracy.
Industrial mixers combine ingredients at precisely 55 degrees Celsius for 3 hours, ensuring perfect emulsion and flavor distribution.
Conching continues for 24 to 72 hours depending on chocolate type. The mechanical action breaks down particles to less than 20 microns.
This graph shows particle size reduction over time. We start at 100 microns and must reach below 20 microns for that melt-in-your-mouth texture.
Tempering is precise science. We must create exactly the right chocolate crystals for that satisfying snap and glossy shine.
The chocolate must pass through 3 precise temperature zones. This creates form-vir crystals.
Perfect tempering produces chocolate that sets in 3 to 5 minutes, with flawless shine and sharp snap.
Computer-controlled depositors fill each mold to within 0.5 gram tolerance. Precision is everything.
The cooling tunnel gradually reduces temperature over 20 minutes, allowing chocolate to crystallize perfectly without thermal shock. AI vision systems inspect 200 bars per minute, checking for 47 different defect types. Only perfect bars continue to packaging.
Despite automation, human expertise remains essential for final quality approval.
Each wrapper is applied with military precision. The sealing temperature must be exactly 110 degrees Celsius.
Humans and robots work together seamlessly. Robots handle repetitive heavy lifting, while humans provide quality oversight and problem solving.
Every batch undergoes 23 separate quality tests before warehouse release. This ensures consistency across millions of bars produced annually. Every chocolate bar can be traced from farm to shelf. Complete transparency ensures accountability and safety.
Base 7, confirm manifest update now. Keep that temp steady at 18. We're falling behind schedule, let's move.
Temperature-controlled logistics ensure chocolate reaches retailers in perfect condition, even through summer heat.
From cocoa farm to your hand, a journey of precision, passion, and perfection.
We've walked through all 12 stages of chocolate bar production together, from carefully selected cocoa beans through roasting, grinding,